All right.
Hello.
How did it go? You sold out, huh? We saw the nice dance.
Thank you. Wow, that looks great.
Start from the start. What have we made?
We have made a fish and chips open sandwich in which we have used lettuce and then we have smoked tartar sauce. We put the fish, which is like this deep fried. We used panko and the flour and the as a batter and then deep fried. Caper and cream sauce on the top. And the bread, we have toasted it with butter and dip. And we have potato, sweet potato, and banana chips on the side.
Well, it's pretty as a picture, I can tell you that.
Do we get to tasting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for
I'm
the
gonna
chip.
squeeze some of the lemon. That's quite a mouthful.
The good things about the dish. First, smoked tartar sauce. Good idea. Second, the caper cream on top. Very good idea. Cream at the bottom, cream on top. Could have been managed a little better. Maybe some spicy paprika twist on top. Overall, great effort. And I'm telling you, that's going to reflect in a lot of those batches right there.
For me, first of all, visually, I love the presentation. You know, there's a nice color balance with that little tomato on top. You know, you've got a rustic plate. I would have liked a little more of the tomato sort of a thing on top that would help to break the cream, as well as the panko fatty breadcrumbed fish and the bread underneath. So like a nice refreshing salad would have really complemented the dish.
England and fish and chips, they just go hand in hand. It was very interesting to see some of the techniques. So you've fried some root vegetables, you fried some banana chips. They're still crisp, and that's the technique that we look out for. I would have liked probably like a sun-dried tomato pesto, something to cut that creaminess at the base. It could have even been a basil pesto, something to elevate the dish, and definitely the bread to be thinner so that it makes it gourmet. It is food truck, it's a great effort, but is it gourmet? We have to figure out.
Overall, a happy dish.
Thank you. Thank you.
We're actually thinking, okay, what could have gone wrong? The people actually liked our dish, but it's the judges who would know the end result.
Hello. What have you made for us?
We made a German sandwich. We used a cold ham and a fried ham with some caramelized onions and mushrooms at the bottom, with some lettuce and gherkin and tomatoes. It represents a goal.
All right,
That's
okay. Shall we tuck in?
Yeah.
Ipsita and Tarana. The mint sauce is delicious. It's really yummy. I just wish there was more of it on the plate. Your caramelized onions, for me, are not caramelized enough. The potato salad is nice, but I'm not really enjoying the texture in my mouth. It's not a mash and it's not pieces of potato. It's like in between, kind of strange. You know, I'm sorry. It's not sure. Go for it.
Visually, your plate looks very appealing. That color is inviting, that green is inviting, that sandwich size is inviting. You know, you want to take that, you want to have a big bite of it. And when I did find a balance between the caramelized onions and the ham. But I found that the lettuce and the tomatoes didn't do any justice. They were not an addition. If they were an addition, they needed something more to it. You've done a great job. Don't feel bad. You've still been able to put Germany on a plate, and that's great.
It has come out, you created a goal. Visually, you created a very nice plate for a food truck. I would not understand why one piece of ham would be cooked and one piece would be raw. The second thing is, even if I put lettuce on my sandwich, a salt and pepper sprinkle is a must. I understand the ham was salty, you probably wanted to manage the salt, but a basic olive oil, salt, pepper respect is due to everything that goes on a plate.
That is apparently not gourmet. So I've learned that whenever you plate whatever ingredients, you have to season it. Whether it's just a drizzle of olive oil or twist of lime or salt and pepper to bring out the flavors completely.
Take care.
Thank you. It was a hot, sunny day at the Nagwa Village Panchayat grounds.
And throngs of crowds showed up to eat the tasty food doled out from our food trucks.
And the ladies cooked with a heart yet again. Some exciting, tasty food from the EPL and the Bundesliga. But the question is, who is the winner? Well, all good things, especially good food, has to wait. So I guess we will have to wait too, but don't go anywhere. The results are around the corner. Coming back to you soon.